There's so much I just couldn't say to the ones I loved the most in the world.
Isiewu. This is one of the most sought after Nigerian delicacy. And I thought it good, why not make it at home instead of buying it outside, so that I and my family can have a wonderful weekend. So if you care to know, you can watch how I prepare this amazing Isiewu. I promise you will love it.
I was sinking deep, and then came you. Are strong when I am weak. I'm a free spirit, but you hold the stream. I'm a wildfire. You consume all the flames. I'm a live wire. Oh, but you keep me safe. I was sinking deep, and then came you. Da, 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 da. So much I just couldn't say to the ones I loved the most in the world. Then came this beautiful girl. You shined your light and lit up mine. Ever since that night in my arms, I knew it was always you.
Show you picture. Your
Shining so bright, hearts of water, find my key. There's so much I just couldn't say to the ones I loved most in